Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we're spilling all the tea on Tyla, the South African singer who just got caught up in some major controversy. Allegedly, she tried to relate to Black American women to save her career, but some people are saying it wasn't genuine. So grab your nails, your gloss, and let's get into it like we're on a FaceTime gossip sesh. So if you don't know, Tyla, full name Tyla Laura Seathal, is this rising star from Johannesburg, South Africa. Girl got international fame with her hit single Water, which actually made her the first South African solo artist in over 55 years to enter the Billboard Hot 100. Her music is a mix of amapiano, G-com, and pop, and honestly, it slaps. But as you know, fame comes with drama, and Honey Tyla is right in the middle of it. Let's spill the receipts. So here's the tea. In 2020, a TikTok resurfaced where Tyla referred to herself as colored South African. Now, in South Africa, this just means someone of mixed race. But in the US, it has a different history, and some fans were not having it. Fast forward to a 2024 Breakfast Club interview, Charlemagne asks her about her racial identity, and girl, her team steps in, and suddenly she's dodging the question. Clips go viral, Twitter explodes, and the internet starts saying she's denying her blackness. And y'all know, once the internet smells drama, it's a full-on feed takeover. Tyla later clarified that she identifies as both Black and colored, explaining the South African context and how the word has a different meaning there. She said she just wanted people to actually listen and learn instead of jumping to conclusions. And honestly, babes, I get it, cultural identity is complicated, especially when you're in the spotlight, but then things got messy. At the 2025 VMAs, she won the inaugural Best African Music Performance Award. Super proud moment, right? But then she asked Halle Bailey and Lil Nas X to hold the award because it was too heavy and some fans called it disrespectful. Plus, her US album sales weren't matching her hype, so people started saying her attempt to connect with Black women felt inauthentic. Oof. After that Breakfast Club clip, Twitter and Instagram were blowing up with people shading her. Some fans said she was performing allyship instead of being herself. And girl, once that narrative starts online, it sticks. Her fashion choices at award shows also got critiqued. Some said she was trying too hard to look American instead of embracing her roots. And let me tell you, every public move now is under a microscope. The internet is relentless, babes. Some of her South African fans are loyal as ever, leaving supportive comments like, "We love you no matter what, Tyla." But the US market, honey, Twitter threads debating whether she even qualifies to represent Black culture. It's a lot of pressure for someone her age. Sources say her team tried to repair the narrative with interviews on Black podcasts and influencer platforms, but it backfired because it looked orchestrated. And let's be real, when fans smell PR moves, they see through it immediately. Now her team is trying to pivot without making the situation worse. The memes about her holding her award went viral again, this time with captions like, "Girl, stop flexing your weight." Celebrity gossip blogs were picking up the clips, calling it disrespectful. And babes, in 2025, the internet basically runs careers, not awards. So what's the final verdict? Tyla's story is a lesson in authenticity. Trying to bridge cultural gaps is noble, but if your audience doesn't feel your sincerity, it can backfire. She still has mad talent, and if she leans into her roots while being real, she could bounce back stronger. But right now, she's navigating one of the trickiest waters in entertainment: public perception, cultural identity, and non-stop gossip. All right, babes, that's all the tea on Tyla for today. Don't forget to check out my Shopify store for gorgeous press-on nails and lip glosses. You deserve to feel this glam every single day. Remember, queens, stay authentic and never let anyone else define your worth. Own your story, just like we're owning our nails. Y'all, I cannot with this Tyla tea, but let's keep our vibes positive. While we sip our drinks and talk about celebrities, treat yourself too. Shop my press-ons and lip glosses. Always remember, life's too short to dim your shine for anyone. Keep glowing and stay unapologetically you. Okay, babes, we've officially spilled all the tea on Tyla, and I am living for this gossip sesh. While we're talking authenticity, don't forget to check out my Shopify beauty collection press-ons and lip glosses made for queens like you. No matter what the internet says, stay confident, stay fierce, and never let anyone tell you your story isn't valid. All right, loves, that's a wrap on the Tyla drama. While we keep spilling tea, treat yourself and shop my beauty collection. Press on nails and lip glosses designed to make you feel like the queen you are. And here's a little positivity. Keep being true to yourself, stay fabulous, and remember that your glow comes from your confidence, not anyone else's approval.